another absolute value, get the absolute value alone first by dividing both sides by -3. That'll zap that out, but because we divided by a negative, we'll have to flip that sign. So now I'll have the absolute value of 7x minus 12 is less than 8 over -3. Now that the absolute value is all alone, split it into two cases, either 7x minus, that stays exactly the same, is either less than 8 over -3 like it looks like, or 7x minus 12 is greater than positive 8 over -3. Now, positive 8 over 3. So now we're noticing something funky, and I probably should have noticed it right at this stage here. If ever you have a negative or a 0, that's a red flag. This is either going to be a no solution or an infinitely many solutions when you're left with a negative or 0 with this absolute value thing going on. So we're looking and we're thinking an absolute value is always positive. And we're wondering, is a positive number less than a negative number? And we're like, no, positive numbers are not less than negative numbers. This is very false. So therefore, there's no solution. Absolute values are always positive. They're never going to be less than negative numbers. No solution. So we should have realized that right here after we got the absolute value alone and we had that negative over on this side. I let it go a little bit far, and when I got to this side and I went to go change my sign, I'm like, usually this one's negative. Why am I switching it to being positive? Oh yeah. Alright, hope that made sense.